Yes. Today I'm going through sorting out the wigs for my beautiful wife. All these wigs that I can see here, I bought them for different occasions and different dressing for my wife. So this is what they call halle berry. Every woman should have that. And you got that one. This nice and colorful. Like kind of a thing for parties and stuff, depending on where you're going. You got this one. This is a longer one. So this is nice. That nice colorful one as well. For carnival kind of wig. You're going to fun party. I've got the plain colorful pink one there as well. So choosing the right wig. I bought all these wigs, and you can see that the nice curls. Apart as against the straight wigs, because I love curly wigs really for my missus. So because it brings that naturality when you picking up wigs, and you got that one. That's it. That's a longer one. So that's like they call that burgundy. That's burgundy color. So, but for just the sake of this video, I'm just gonna do just like maybe just play around with just one or two out of it. But before we go into fixing the wig, one tip is that you have to cream the hair first, and you have to plait it and cream the hair so that the wig don't pop up. So now I've already done the plait. So now you got Morgan pomade, very essential. I've known this since I was a child, really, because I'm the only son out of about 6 siblings, so I'm the only son. So I know about women's stuff right from my childhood. I learned that from my childhood. I always pick my sister's hair back in the days. So the Morgan pomade is very essential. So as you see, now that's why you're using first oiling the hair. That's very important. Normally, when you use Morgan pomade, what you want to achieve is to make sure that you put it in all the crevices. So you put it around all the hair, make sure it's all slip down like that, and you actually get rid of any grayness in the hair. So it brings that youthfulness, and that because when you use wig, it actually steams up the hair. So, but what you don't want is what you want is for the hair to still be maintained, the texture of the hair to be maintained, the color of the hair to be maintained, and the hair can actually stay nice and calm like that. You can see that it's shining really good. Some people, they wear hair wig, hair cap, wig cap. But I just like that naturality. So now, because wig cap will create a lot of heat. So let's start with the halle berry one. So now you look at the complexion. You have a nice, beautiful, golden complexion. So you don't want to use black wigs. It's not really good for light complexion. So this is like a color 4. That's a color 4. Color 4, black color 4. So not color 1 or color 2. So pop it in. So with the wigs, make sure that you already put a wig spray.
Wig spray.
Use wig spray. You have to use wig spray. There are different wig spray that you can see in the market there. You see how sexy she looks now. And when you buy good wigs like this, how you know the good wig is with the fringe. Wherever you put the fringe, it stays there. Can you see? Look, even this look even far better than the berry one. Can you see how sexy she looks? There you go. She's ready to go. So this one like that, it's like a everyday use. You're going to the market or stuff like that. That's why you pop on. You're ready to roll. So you're going to office or you're going to the market. That's why you use. So now moving on to party outing now. So you have that one. This is a blue one. This is good for club. You already put your wig spray on it and stuff like that. So, and let's see how that one plays out. Okay. So with short wig, they're really quite easy to use because you don't really have much to do about the short wig. But the main thing is to style out your fringes. You want to know where the fringe will stay because you don't want the fringe to actually cover the face and to be all over the place. And once you use your wig spray, but that will actually keep the air intact. So can you see? So and that's how you know that you have a good, real, genuine wig than all that. I mean, you don't need to bust your account, and you see how sexy it looks. And another essential that you put is your, wig spray. That's the only spray that you just spray all over it. Once you actually choose what kind of wig you wanna pick for the outing. So moving on, and that one is good for the party. Going to the party, definitely you stand out. You entering the door, everybody's looking and looking and looking. But you can see that doesn't actually blend with the dress she's wearing. So that's why you have to keep going. So moving on. So we've got this. Okay, let's try this one. Let's try this one.
Party wig.
This one is a party wig, a party wig. So. And you see the curls and afro kind of curls. So and it's already been dressed and stuff like that. So let's see how that plays out. Yes. Okay. The good thing about this short wigs is that there's no right or wrong way of wearing it. The main thing is you have to let your face show, depending on See, we already got it in there already. She's ready to roll. Very, very party, very shiny, very glittery. She feels good in herself. Look at yourself in the mirror. You have her by yourself. So I bought these wigs. I bought all these wigs, And they're so cheap. I won't think. If you want to know where I buy them, just contact me. So and that's that. Just leave your comment and tell me, and I'll tell you where I get it. And the final one is that one. That's my favorite one, really. It's like carnival, but at the same time it's party as well. You go to the party. The beauty of this, you have all the different colors. So this one you can wear for carnival, you can wear for party, you can wear for the club. It goes with different dresses. You have the blue color, light blue, dark blue, green, and now she's wearing green. You can see that actually goes well with that. So that's why you need to have the colorful, multicolored one. So any dress you're wearing, it actually blends really perfectly. So and let's see how that plays out. That's it. Done. See, that's it. She's ready to roll. So no long thing. Can you see how sexy she looks? That is beautiful. That's a new look. Can you see? It blends with the dress she's wearing. Doesn't really take much time. You're ready to roll. And then I say, guys, just put your spray on it. A little spray. Make sure you cover the face, and that's it. That's shining. That's how you have it. And she's ready to roll. She can go to any party, like from market down to the party. And that blends perfectly with them. So you can see. So picking wigs, so when you want to pick wig in the market, please leave a comment down below. What you think, and I'm more than happy to help you out. There you have it. And how do you feel, darling?
I feel $1 million.
Exactly. See, there you have it. That's a final verdict. So that is it. So that's all good. So you got the Halle one, you got the burgundy, the nice pink color one, different multicolor, and now the one that actually blends with what she's wearing. There you have it. So as a woman, you have to know how to select wig. Contact me, and I will just leave your comment down below and leave all your likes and make sure you share, subscribe. Thank you.